Back to this YouTube channel. This is the Wealthy Embassy FS, guys. On today's episode we're going to be talking on the gold USD. So guys, the gold has really been playing out the way we said it's going to play out. So we're going to look at the markets today and know what next week are for us, or what we are going to be expecting for the coming week. So looking at from the monthly time frame, I just want to take you guys back to the monthly time frame of how the official move started from the monthly time frame. Now I want you to know that gold is a safe haven. I hope all of you who do take gold trade, who do trade the gold market, understand that gold is a safe haven. It's where people save their money, because gold cannot depreciate. That's one thing to know about gold. So as you can see, in time past, after the market consolidated, you see that consolidated, there was a breakout. This is the monthly time frame, don't forget, this is the monthly time frame. After the breakout, the market rallied to the upside, started creating a series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. You see that, right? So from the monthly time frame perspective, you can see that the market is always in the uptrend. So if the monthly time frame is telling us that the market is always in an uptrend, that means as a swing trader, we don't have anything to do with sell, especially for the gold market. Selling, except the market, if the market is ranging, and that ranging should be from the weekly time frame. So you get that, the ranging should be from the weekly time frame down to the lower time frame. So but if the market is not ranging in the weekly time frame, you have no, even though the market is ranging, you have no business with selling the market. All you should be doing to the market is buying, looking for where the market come down to, and you start buying the market to the upside. So that is the only thing you can do in the gold market. Looking at the monthly time, you can currently see that the monthly time frame, the candles are just facing up. The rally to the upside is very massive. So right now we're going to move to the weekly time frame. As you can see from the daily monthly time frame perspective, there is no much more data that we can work with. So we're going to move to the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, guys, you can see, I want to show you guys something. Please don't mind. Okay, so guys, from the weekly time frame, you can see that the market gave us showing us real data of the wave of the market. Remember, for an uptrend to be an uptrend, we need to have series of higher highs, higher low. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then you can also see that the market, after the breakout from this level here, you can see the market went up and ranged, break the level again, went up, range, break the level again, went up. Now and currently you can see that the market, after it broke out from this ranging here, after the market broke out from this ranging, right, it went up to create a higher high. Then I came down to create a lower higher low. Then what are we expecting next? They create a new higher high, which the market did, which we are currently seeing from the weekly time frame. So our own major concern on this market now is the current move of the market. What is the market currently doing? That's our own focus. We don't have any other focus with any other parts. Okay, what is the market currently doing? That's what we make money from. So as you can see, based from the mindset that we got from the monthly time frame, that the overall direction is up movement, that means uptrend. So whatever we are going to be looking for from the weekly, the daily to the 4 hours is up movement, is an uptrend. That we are going to be looking for, not downtrend. So as you can see, after the market took out these all-time highs to create a new higher high, the market came back to retest, went up again to create another all-time highs, to create a new higher high, higher high. So you can see that the market broke above this level here to create a new level here, right? This week represent that the market was once here. This was where the price got to before it came down here to close here. But the most valuable information here is that the market was able to close above this level with a candle. You see that, right? That is to say that the market is what still much more of buying than what selling. So right now, having this in our mind, we're going to move down to the what daily time frame. We're going to move down to the daily time frame. Now look at this, is the daily time frame here. This is daily time frame. Very interesting. Very interesting. I love the daily time frame. Now remember, guys, it is what the daily time frame is doing that what we are going to be trading. Remember, I said from the monthly time frame we are looking at the overall direction, if it's a downtrend or an uptrend, and which will find out that it's an uptrend. From the weekly time frame, we are looking at the waves of the market, right? What the market is currently doing. But on the daily time frame, we are trading the trend of what the market is currently doing on the weekly. So we are trading the trend of what the market is currently doing on the weekly on the daily time frame. Now you can see that what the market is currently doing on the weekly is a buy, and the trend on the daily is an uptrend. We can see that on the daily, on the weekly, we will not be able to see this trend. We will not be able to see it, but on the daily you see that we can see it, right? So I'm going to explain again the breakout and the retest and everything. Then now looking at this trade here, after the market created an M pattern, after the breakout of this level, market created an M pattern here, came to retest on this level, breakout, and continue the movement to the upside, and also took out this level. Then when the market took out this level, what should we be expecting? We should be expecting a retest on this level before we see more buys to the what upside. See that, right? So, and we can see that during the week the market came to retest on this level that it broke out from. So guys, it's very simple. This coming week we are going to buy. The market is going to buy and keep on buying to the upside. Don't miss this move. Don't miss this move. I'm going to take you guys to the 4 hours. So you can see after the market created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that we're expecting is a new what higher high to the upside. So that's what we are expecting this. But I want to take you guys to the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours. Looking at the 4 hours, I know most of you have traded here and eaten SL. That's how the market do. The market has moved. The market will what create liquidity to gain strength again to move. So looking at this market, 2 things I will do. This is the 4 hours time frame, guys. Now you might be wondering, how did I get this length, this distance? This length from here to here is the length from here to here. Remember, when the market moves to the upside and we trace to the downside, it's going to also, when the market break out from the all-time highs or from the level that the retracement started from, when the market broke out from it, it's going to also replicate what the market did. So that's why we are drawing this level from here to here. So we expect the market to replicate this movement from here to here also in the what coming movement. So if you are taking any trade from here, I'm giving you the confidence to swing the trade to this level here. I'm giving you guys the confidence to swing the trade to this level here. So guys, how are we going to be taking advantage of this move that is coming this coming week, or the move that's going to show this coming week? How are we going to take advantage of it? It's very simple. First, I will take my trend line from here, sorry, my fib retracement, right, from here to this level here, to this level, and as you can see that the market came shallow of the 0.50 and of 0.50% fib retracement and started pulling up to the upside. That is number one thing you need to see there. And secondly is the trend line. Let me remove the fib. Is the trend line that was respected. You can see that's touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, and the touch 4. The market came and closed above the trend line, not below the trend line. still showing that buyers have more strength in the market than what the sellers. And the market also came to retest on this level here, right guys? Also came to retest on this level here, and after the market broke out from this level, the market started ranging. That's why I have to draw this box. So the next thing we need to expect from this market, I won't tell you guys to sell. You should only buy this market. That means if the market still remain inside this level, right, inside this level, that market without that market closing below the level, we should only buy when the market breaks above this level here. On your entry time frame, can be 1 hour or 15 minutes. That's how you look for your entry time frame, or what you are expecting to see on your entry time frame. So wait for the market to break out from this level, retest on it on your entry time frame, not on the 4 hours, on your entry time frame, and start buying the market to the upside. That is one. Why? Secondly, you wait for the, or if the market did not break here immediately, the market might rally to the downside, come above this level again, then you wait for a retest on this level, then start buying the market to the upside. This should be your target. So guys, this is what I have for you guys this coming week. This is what I have for you guys this coming week. This trend line doesn't mean when it breaks I'll start saying nah. Gold is not like that. It's not like that. So this is what I have for you guys this coming week. So you have to be very patient. Come on, remember I took a buy position from here the previous week, before this week that ended. The market went very well. I also took a buy position here that it took out my SL. Yeah, I hit my SL. I took a buy position from after I see this bullish candle. I placed my buying position here. The market came, hit me out because my SL was around there. Hit me out and started going towards my direction. So this week I had only one SL. I did not take the trade again because I was expecting a breakout above this level, which I did not see. So you have to be very patient. Wait for the market to fulfill your entry criteria, fulfill your analysis before you take any trade on the market. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay safe. Peace out.